Welcome to day one. Let's get started by simply meeting yourself where you are. So come into sitting if you're not already. And if you're concerned about back pain, put a little pillow behind you and you might scooch back and put a step stool underneath your foot, so underneath your feet, so that you are supported, but you can also be finding your position today. So wherever you are, if you can be on the edge of the chair, go ahead and do that. Feet on the ground. Just simply notice how your body feels. And then very slowly begin to move and let your bones stack from your hips, your ribs, your shoulders, your head, like you're stacking blocks so that they're sturdy, but also so that your body's relaxed. So sturdy, but also relaxed at the same time. And just trust that your body knows how to do this because it already does. Just let your body shift and close your eyes and trust where that position is, that your body feels most at ease. Your bones are holding you up. Your muscles don't have to work hard at all. And if you can't quite find that position, that's okay. Just find the position where you feel the most sturdy and the most relaxed possible right now in this moment. And just notice how that feels. And then for comparison, maybe slouch and go in that position where your head kind of pulls you forward and notice how that feels. Notice where you feel that. Where is your body holding you? And then come into good posture and notice how it feels to sit up straight with your back, chest out, shoulders back, and notice how that feels. And then again, shift into this natural alignment. Let your body find that place where your bones can hold you, your muscles are resting, and just notice how that feels. Again, just simply noticing today, just awareness of where you might find that natural alignment where your body can be at rest and be present. Let's try it in standing. If that's comfortable for you, go ahead and stand, find your feet on the ground, and again, notice where your body just ends up and just notice how that feels for you. There's no right or wrong here. So just find where your body is, notice how it feels, and use that to guide you to find that place where your bones hold you, head's weightless, bones hold you, body's just resting. And notice how you can embody presence. And again, for comparison, you might bring your head forward and slouch and notice how that feels, overcorrect and do military posture and notice how that feels, and then come back into where your body can just rest and just hold you. There is a mountain of evidence about the power of mindfulness for improving weight loss, reducing pain, and supporting motivation. The start of mindfulness is bringing your attention into the present moment by shifting your awareness into your body. Studies show the position of your body actually changes your brain and can influence how you feel about yourself and your ability to have healthy connections with others. Your brain is hardwired to keep you safe through three skills. Time travel. Your thoughts can take you to the past and the future. Predict threats. Search for the past and future and present for any real or potential threats to your safety. And store information. Use what you've learned in the past to keep you safe and well. Without these skills, you could not survive. However, these skills mean that your brain is not very good at keeping your attention in the present moment. But mindful presence is often misunderstood as always keeping your attention in the present moment, and that a busy brain means you're not good at mindfulness. Being present is also misunderstood as being calm all the time. And this idea makes mindfulness seem like an impossible task for a lot of people. Good posture has been taught to mean having your chest out and shoulders back, and bad posture is slouching. Both of these positions are more work for your body because they take your spine out of its natural alignment. When your spine is in its natural alignment, every other joint is too. Your body is always in the present moment. Rather than trying to be present by keeping your thoughts here and now, put your attention in your body. It's your brain's job to time travel and gravitate towards the negative. That's how it helps you survive. Instead of seeing this as a problem, just remember that you are not your thoughts by including your body into your awareness. Allow your body to shift into its natural alignment because alignment makes being in the present more comfortable and restores your energy. It's normal to shift out of alignment. Rather than labeling it as bad posture, no, it's just part of living with gravity. Let the feeling of being out of alignment be your signal to shift back into your natural alignment. This position of your natural alignment is going to be the foundation of all of your movement and everything else that we do for whole person health. So we're going to practice this today. Just simply practice it when you're not moving. Anytime you're standing talking to somebody, and especially helpful to practice it when you're eating. Notice when you're out of alignment, your digestive system is also out of alignment, and just notice how that feels to eat in that position, and then maybe try shifting into your natural alignment and notice how that feels. Just simply awareness today, noticing how it feels to be in and out of your natural alignment, and allow your body to practice resting in its natural alignment. Jot down in your Thrive tracking what you notice about being in and out of your natural alignment and how it affects your ability to rest well, nourish well, and move well. Just a note, this skill of natural alignment to embody presence sets the stage for your whole person health and lasting habits. However, it can take a while to trust what you sense in your body, so don't overthink it. If alignment and presence do not feel natural yet, just continue to practice, give it time, and trust this process.